Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll walk you through the key highlights of India's 2026 to 27 budget, from economic growth and tax reforms to infrastructure and innovation. Let's get started. India's economy continues to demonstrate strong momentum in the 2026 to 27 period. GDP growth is projected to remain among the highest globally, supported by stable macroeconomic policies, rising domestic demand, and sustained government investment. This growth positions India as a key driver of the global economy. Recent tax reforms aim to simplify compliance and improve disposable income for households. Reduced tax burdens for individuals and businesses encourage savings, consumption, and private investment. These reforms strengthen India's attractiveness as a business friendly economy. Infrastructure remains a cornerstone of India's growth strategy. Increased spending on highways, railways, logistics corridors, and smart cities improves connectivity and efficiency. These investments generate employment and support long term economic expansion. Healthcare development focuses on expanding access and improving quality across urban and rural regions. Investments in hospitals, primary health centers, and medical education aim to strengthen India's healthcare system. A healthier population directly contributes to productivity and national development. Education reforms emphasize digital learning and skill development. Increased access to online education, technology enabled classrooms, and future oriented courses prepare students for emerging industries. These initiatives build a skilled workforce aligned with India's long term growth vision. India continues its transition toward clean and sustainable energy. Investments in solar, wind, and electric mobility reduce carbon emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. Green energy initiatives support sustainable growth while protecting the environment. Innovation and startups play a crucial role in India's economic future. Government support for artificial intelligence, deep technology, and research encourages entrepreneurship. A strong startup ecosystem drives job creation and global competitiveness. Social welfare initiatives focus on inclusive and balanced development. Programs supporting women empowerment, rural livelihoods, and social security ensure that growth benefits all sections of society. Inclusive growth strengthens social stability and economic resilience. Overall, the policy framework is built on three key pillars: growth, sustainability, and innovation. Economic growth is driven by infrastructure and investment, sustainability through green initiatives, and innovation through technology and startups. Together, these pillars shape a resilient and future ready India. In conclusion, India's development strategy for 2026 and beyond focuses on economic strength, social inclusion, and sustainable progress. With continued reforms and innovation, India is well positioned to achieve long term growth and global leadership. Thank you.